midnight. So goodbye. Oh.
What's up, y'all? I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this cool studio, the Jaren M. Studio. Y'all, I am pumped to talk about this song. I was actually in this musical when I was in high school. I was Jack in this musical, Into the Woods. So I was saying that there are giants in the sky, that song. I know somebody has a video of me singing that song somewhere. I gotta find it. I'm gonna try to share with y'all if I find it. And it was so funny because the song was too low for me, so I had to like change the keys. I literally changed the keys of Sondheim. Don't know what possessed me to do so, but I kind of messed with vocal line and make sure it fit my voice because it was too low for me. Like, who did I think I was at age 14 changing Sondheim to fit my voice? Like, what? Anyway, but no, I'm excited to talk about this video. I saw this on Instagram a few days ago, and then I analyzed it, and I just said, like, man, I have to do a full video on this. Just the way she's using her voice and the way she's singing and presenting this song, it is just amazing. So let's get into it. Here is Patina Miller singing The Last Midnight from Into the Woods.
It's the last midnight. It's the last wish. It's the last midnight. Soon it will be boom, squish.
I so appreciate the intentionality she is using here. She is executing here. You can tell in them 4 lines how every move she's making is so thought out, and the focus that she has while singing this song and recording this song in this moment. You can just see it in her body and her face, how she's using her voice. And I love the eeriness of the texture here. It's the last midnight. It's almost kind of like a scary movie. A little bit. It's that eerie kind of tension that she's using by way of that straight tone, kind of the breathy, light, super straightforward pitches. There's no scoops. There's no. It's the last, and even the simplicity of the articulation. Instead of it's the last midnight. It's the last midnight. It's the last wish. And even that wish, I probably got the words wrong, but the wish, the SH has some length to it, some duration to it. Oh, the intentionality is so good.
Told a little lie, stole a little gold, broke a little vow. Did you?
Stole a little gold. So the vocal texture changed. Instead of it's the last, stole a little gold. It's almost like a little bit of a high larynx, but like a darkness in the vowel. Stole a little gold with a little vocal slide. She has vocal slides here. The first 4 lines didn't have any vocal slides, but she has some vocal slides going on here.
Had to get your prince, had to get your cow. Have to get your wish, doesn't matter how. Anyway, it doesn't matter now. It's the last midnight.
How she ended that, it doesn't matter how. Ooh, it doesn't matter how. It's the last. And she really brought the texture back to the beginning, that eerie kind of feeling. She kind of brought the vocal texture back to that going into The Last Midnight the second time around.
It's the boom splat. Nothing but a vast midnight. Everybody smashed flat. Nothing we can do, not exactly true. We could always give her the boy. No, of course what really matters is the blame.
Did you hear how the texture changed? It got a little bit more, give her the boy, a little bit more angsty, if you will. Give her the boy, with a little more vibrato, a little more stronger. But she's really playing with so many different types of timbres and textures. I wish I could say all of it, but I know the video would be eons long if I did. But I'm trying to tell y'all how many things she's doing, even with how she's changing the vowel shapes here. Some vowel shapes some more spread, some more here. And she's really saying each and every phoneme, each and every consonant sound that she can possibly conjure up when she's singing here to really make it clean and precise and concise and focused.
Someone you can blame. Fine if that's nothing you enjoy. Placing the blame if that's the aim. Give me the blame.
The blame. You see how that blame had vibrato there? The same thing happened on you. Things you enjoy. Placing the blame. Da, 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 da. If that's the blame. I got the words all wrong, but you see what I'm saying? She's adding vibrato while also changing the vocal texture at specific moments. And you see aim, blame, everything is spread and wide and bright there too.
Just give me the boy.
Just give me the boy. Darker, more vibrato, sung to the teeth. Just give me the boy.
No. No. You're so nice.
That nice. Did you see how she did that nice? You're so nice. So the vowel was kind of taller and she prepared for the N sound, the N consonant. Nice. And then she sung through the N sound and placed that ice, or the vowel, if you will, of nice. 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 Instead of nice. Nice. Again, that intentionality that I keep talking about. It's that intentionality, y'all. Intentionality. That is the name of the game in what she's doing here. I'm being purposeful and I know exactly what I'm going to do for everything.
You're not good. You're not bad. You're just nice. I'm not good. I'm not nice. I'm just right. I'm the witch.
I'm just right. I'm the witch. All those consonants, all those things. And look at her body. She's using her whole body in this. Those arms are flexed. I mean, even down to the spread fingers at times. Like, it's this arm and this torso lifting, this rib cage lifting, and body engagement. She's all in it. She's here. Everything is here. Everything is here. Nothing is lackadaisical. Nothing is chill. This song requires a level of intentionality and a level of precision, because these little chromatic notes and all these words and key changes and all this song is not easy to sing. Let me tell you that. This song is not easy, but she's making it look like it's easy. That's how good she is. That's what I'm saying.
You're the world. I'm the hitch. I'm what no one believes. I'm the witch.
Now you see more intensity. I'm the hitch. I'm what no one believes. I'm the witch. So she's getting a little bit more angsty. I'm the witch. You see how that different texture brings out a whole different ambiance or aesthetic to the song when she brings in that breathy, kind of hard, intensified use of the breath and voice a little bit. Versus talking like this, you know, it's not really as angsty. But if I started talking like this, oh my gosh, I'm the witch. It changes the whole texture of what I'm doing, you know, and how I'm talking, right?
You're all liars and thieves, like his father, like his son will be too. Oh, why bother? You'll just do what you do.
You just do what you do. It's almost like she had like a nasal. You just do what you do. It's the last midnight, whatever it is. Like she kind of had that nasal. You just do what you do. You hear the soft palate's kind of down. Kind of like that. Kind of like that.
Last midnight, so goodbye. Oh.
That glottal all. Ooh, I just be so amazed at it. So goodbye. Oh, it's that clean. Oh, but it's that clean / nasal placement. She placed it exactly where she wanted it. So goodbye. Oh, it was a goodbye. Oh, you see when I take that glottal onset off, it kind of blurs together, if you will. She wanted that break in the middle of goodbye all. So goodbye. Oh. Kind of like that. Yeah. Woo. That is such a clean glottal onset. Oh.
Coming at you fast, midnight. Soon you'll see the sky fall. Hey!
Then she had a little bit of a rhythmic delay, or like a kind of a backbeat moment with the rhythm of the words. Soon you'll see the sky fall, kind of like that. So instead of soon you'll see the sky fall, it was soon you'll see the sky fall. You see the difference? So she kind of did a backbeat, dun 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 dun, kind of like that on the sky fall of that whole line right there.
Yeah, you want a bean? Have another bean. Beans were made for making you rich. Plant them and they soar. Here, you want some more?
And look at her face. It's here. She's really internalizing the character and the plot and what's going on in this moment in the show. You know, so she has that intensity in her face and her body. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. So then she can sing the way she's singing because she's embodying the character. This is how you bring out a character in a recording. This is poster child exhibit 101, textbook, perfect example of how you bring out a character in a recording. Because a lot of people say, oh, it's so much harder to sing in the studio or to emote in the studio. It is. It is. It is. It is. It is. But when you let yourself go and just kind of be in it and really sing it for what it's worth and be the character and not so much, oh, I'm going to be Jaren. No, 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 no. I'm the witch now. I'm the witch. And whatever tactics that help you get into that character while you're recording, that's what she's doing. It's almost like she's taking herself out of the picture as a great actress would, and she's putting the witch on as a great actress would and emoting that witch while she's singing so that we can hear it on the recording, so we can feel it on the recording, you know. So it's almost like we're there with her in person or watching her on stage singing this stuff because she's embodying the character in the studio. She's doing all of this in the studio. Intentionality. I keep saying it because it's the name of the game in this video. It's intentionality. That's the whole name of the game here.
Listen to the roar, giants by the scar. Oh well, you can blame another witch. It's the last midnight. It's the last verse.
And here's almost like she's breathing through her teeth and nose. It's the last midnight. It's the last verse. And I feel like that could be a little bit of her keeping her, I guess, placement a little bit. It could also be the intentionality of the breath or breathing pattern of the witch. It could be a combination of things, but sometimes you're sucking in the air like that. So goodbye. Oh, kind of like that grit and that growl, that snarl. Coming at you fast midnight, soon you'll see the sky fall. You see what I'm saying right there? So it kind of gives that snarl in the sound.
Now before it's past midnight, I'm leaving you my last curse. I'm leaving you alone. You can tend the garden, it's yours, separate and alone. Everybody down on our boards. All right, mother, when lost the pins again, punish me the way you did then. Give me claws and a hunch just away from this bunch and the gloom and the doom and the
If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below and click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. All right, y'all, I love you, and I will see you soon.